Ever feel like you're carrying a version of yourself that doesn't even exist anymore? We try to fix the old us, but the truth is, some things aren't meant to be fixed. They're meant to be left. Colossians says your sins were nailed to the cross. Past mistakes, nailed to the cross. That version of you that wasn't enough, nailed to the cross. When Jesus said, "It is finished," he wasn't just talking about his life. He was talking about your old history. But it doesn't end at the grave. Resurrection means rebirth. You aren't just cleaned up, you are a new creation. The old has passed away, and everything is fresh. So stop visiting the graveyard of your past. You've been raised to walk in newness of life. Today, choose to live resurrected. Leave the old at the cross and step into the new. Comment new if you're ready for a fresh start today, and join us for Easter services at St. Matthew Lutheran Church, Sonora. See you in the comments.